Hey everyone, today, I'm unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, the Canadian version I just picked up from Walmart for $599 plus tax. Let's dive in and see what this powerful tablet has to offer. As soon as you open the box, you're greeted by this sleek and modern design. The Galaxy Tab S9 FE comes with a 10.9-inch display that's perfect for everything from streaming videos to getting some work done on the go. This version comes with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, giving you plenty of space and power for multitasking, apps, and all your favorite content. Plus, if you need more storage, it's expandable up to 1 TB with a microSD card. Powered by a Samsung Exynos 1380 processor, this tablet is designed to handle everything you throw at it, whether it's gaming, streaming, or productivity tasks. The display itself is vibrant and sharp, making it ideal for watching movies, editing photos, or even sketching with the S Pen, which is included in the box. The S Pen is a standout feature, allowing for precision drawing, note-taking, and even navigating the tablet with ease. It's responsive and feels natural, almost like writing on paper. On the back, you've got an 8MP camera, perfect for quick snaps or scanning documents, and on the front, a 12MP ultra-wide camera for video calls or selfies. The camera quality is solid, especially for a tablet in this price range. Along with the tablet and S Pen, you also get a USB-C charger, so you're all set to go right out of the box. And speaking of battery life, the Galaxy Tab S9 FE has a 10,090 mAh battery, which should easily get you through a day of heavy use. All in all, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE is an incredible value for $599. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who loves tech, this tablet has something for everyone. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and tips on how to get the most out of your new Galaxy Tab S9 FE.